Welcome back to Car Reviewpedia, your go-to spot for everything related to the latest cars, trucks, and vehicles. Today, we've got something truly special for all of you adventure seekers and road warriors out there. We're taking a closer look at the 2025 Freightliner motorhome, a luxury RV designed for those who want to hit the road in style and comfort. If you've ever dreamed of a motorhome that combines cutting-edge technology with unbeatable performance, this review is for you. Let's dive right in. The 2025 Freightliner motorhome stands out immediately with its sleek, modern exterior. With Freightliner's legendary craftsmanship and durability, you can immediately tell that this RV is built to last. The exterior features a smooth, aerodynamic design that not only looks good but also enhances fuel efficiency. Freightliner has used lightweight materials to ensure it's easy to handle, despite its size. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating winding roads, this motorhome offers a stable, smooth ride. When it comes to power, the Freightliner motorhome doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with a robust 6.7-liter turbocharged diesel engine that offers 300 horsepower. This engine gives you the confidence to tackle long distances, steep hills, and difficult terrains without breaking a sweat. The added benefit of an advanced air suspension system ensures that you'll enjoy a smooth, stable ride no matter the road conditions. This motorhome is designed to handle everything from highway cruises to off-the-beaten-path adventures with ease. Step inside the 2025 Freightliner motorhome, and you'll find yourself in a world of luxury. The interior is designed to make every trip feel like a five-star experience. The living area features plush leather seating, a large flat-screen TV, and elegant wood accents that create a warm, inviting atmosphere. The kitchen is fully equipped with high-end appliances, including a refrigerator, stove, and microwave, so you can cook meals just like you would at home. Plus, the inclusion of a washer and dryer makes long trips even more convenient. The master bedroom is a real treat, featuring a king-size bed and ample storage for all your personal items. The bathroom is equally impressive, with a modern shower, stylish fixtures, and plenty of space to relax and refresh. Whether you're spending a night or a few weeks on the road, you'll always feel right at home in this motorhome. One of the standout features of the 2025 Freightliner motorhome is the technology it offers. The vehicle comes with an intuitive infotainment system, which seamlessly connects to your smartphone for easy access to navigation, entertainment, and more. You'll also find an advanced safety suite, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and collision mitigation. These features ensure that you're always in control and safe while driving, no matter where your journey takes you. Another great thing about this motorhome is its versatility. Whether you're traveling solo, with family, or friends, there's enough space and comfort to accommodate everyone. The living spaces are roomy and functional, offering various layouts and configurations to suit your needs. Plus, the large windows and skylights provide plenty of natural light, making the interior feel open and airy. In conclusion, the 2025 Freightliner motorhome is the ultimate road companion for anyone looking to combine luxury, performance, and reliability.